Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Conversations, your favorite podcast to practice English in real life.
Hi, friends. It's great to have you here again. We love helping you learn, speak, and enjoy English, step by step, together.
That's right. And remember, here you don't just study English, you live it. We speak slowly, we explain everything clearly, and we make learning fun and simple.
Exactly. So whether you're walking, cooking, cleaning, or sitting with your cup of tea, just relax and listen. You're improving your English right now, just by being here.
Before we begin, don't forget to click subscribe, share this podcast with your friends, and leave a comment. We love hearing from you, your stories, your questions, and your progress.
Okay, today's topic is one of my favorites. It's something we can all talk about, no matter where we're from or what language we speak.
Yes, today we're talking about hobbies, the things you love to do in your free time.
And this is such an important topic. When you meet new people, the question, what do you like to do in your free time, always comes up.
Exactly. It's a friendly way to start a conversation. And when you can answer that question clearly in English, you sound natural, confident, and warm.
So in this episode, we'll help you learn how to talk about your hobbies, how to ask others about theirs, and how to keep the conversation going, easily and naturally.
And don't worry, we'll go slowly, repeat keywords, and give you time to speak with us. This is your safe English space.
All right, let's begin. Take a deep breath, smile, and let's talk about your hobbies.
Let's start with a short story. Listen carefully. Your job is to find how many hobbies do you hear?
Ready? Here we go. My name is Jack. I work from Monday to Friday. After work, I like to listen to music. Sometimes I read a book before bed. On weekends, I play football with my friends. I also like cooking. Cooking makes me feel relaxed. In the evening, I sometimes play the guitar. It's fun to make music. I have many hobbies, but my favorite is playing guitar.
Okay, did you hear all the hobbies? Let's list them together. Both, slowly. Listening to music. Reading books. Playing football. Cooking. Playing guitar.
That's right, 5 hobbies. Now, let's listen again more slowly. Try to repeat the hobby words when you hear them. Slow, gentle. My name is Jack. I work from Monday to Friday. After work, I like to listen to music. Sometimes I read a book before bed. On weekends, I play football with my friends. I also like cooking. Cooking makes me feel relaxed. In the evening, I sometimes play the guitar. It's fun to make music. I have many hobbies, but my favorite is playing guitar.
Very good. You just practice listening and repeating. That's how your brain learns naturally. Now, let's talk about what these sentences mean.
Okay, let's look at some of the important words from the story. Free time means the time when you're not working or studying. Relaxed means calm and comfortable. Fun means you enjoy it. You smile when you do it.
Now, let's look at the grammar patterns we can use to talk about hobbies. We can say, I like to play football. I like playing football. Both are correct. We can also say, I love cooking. I enjoy reading.
Let's repeat together, slowly. I like cooking. I like to cook. I love reading. I enjoy watching movies.
Nice job. Now, let's talk about some more examples of hobbies, things that people enjoy doing.
Okay, here are a few. Painting, listening to music, watching movies, reading books, playing sports, playing instruments, traveling, gardening, cooking or baking, photography.
Wow, so many. And you can use them to build simple sentences like these. I like painting. I love listening to music. I enjoy watching movies. I like reading books before bed. I play football on weekends.
Good job. Remember, if you're talking about yourself, always start with I like, I love, or I enjoy. They are friendly and easy to use. Let's talk about our hobbies. When you hear us talk, think about your answers too.
Okay, my hobby is painting. When I paint, I feel calm. I usually paint on Sunday morning. I use watercolors, blue, pink, and yellow. Sometimes I listen to soft music while painting. It helps me relax.
That sounds peaceful. My hobby is playing football. I play every Saturday with my friends in the park. It's fun and also good exercise. After the game, we drink juice and talk about our week.
Nice. See? Hobbies help us feel happy and connected. Now, listener, think. What do you like to do on your weekends? Take 5 seconds and say it out loud. Good job. Even if you speak slowly, you're learning to think in English.
Let's practice together. I like dancing. I like drawing. I love cooking. I enjoy traveling. I like watching YouTube videos.
Perfect. Let's add some detail. You can say, I like dancing when I'm happy. I enjoy cooking dinner for my family. I love traveling to the mountains. I read books before bed.
See how simple that is? Just add a small detail and your English becomes more natural.
Now let's do a listen and repeat exercise. We'll say a sentence. You repeat after us. Ready?
I like reading books.
Excellent. Now let's try a conversation practice. Listen first, then repeat after the pause.
Hi, what do you like to do in your free time?
Perfect. You just had a full English conversation about hobbies.
Now, try with your own words. Imagine you're meeting a new friend. Ask, what do you like to do in your free time? Then answer, I like, and say your hobby. Take your time. We'll wait.
Well done. That's real speaking practice right there.
In English-speaking countries, talking about hobbies is very common. It's how people start small talk or friendly conversations.
Yes. For example, if you meet someone new at a party, you might hear, So, what do you do for fun? Or, how do you spend your weekends?
And when you answer, you can also ask the same question back, like, I like cooking. What about you?
Exactly. This keeps the conversation going, friendly and balanced. You can also share why you like your hobby. Say, I like painting because it helps me relax. I love football because it's exciting. I enjoy reading because I learn new things.
Adding because makes your sentence stronger and more